Let's talk about what recovery looks like after a Jiffy Knee procedure. First, the day of surgery. This is typically done in an outpatient setting, which means you go home the same day. Most patients are up and walking with assistance within a few hours after surgery. In the first couple of weeks, you'll be using a walker or a cane for support. During this time, swelling, stiffness, and some discomfort are completely normal. The focus early on is managing that swelling with ice and elevation, and most importantly, starting your movement. Physical therapy plays a huge role in your recovery. The patients who do the best are the ones who stay consistent with their exercises and follow their therapy plan closely. As you move past those first couple of weeks, most patients begin to feel more comfortable walking and start getting back to more normal daily activities. Strength and movement continue to improve over the next several weeks. Full recovery is a process. While many patients notice improvements early on, it can take several months to reach your maximum outcome. The general rule of thumb is that 90% of your recovery occurs within the first 3 months after surgery. We do expect to see improvement in pain, swelling, strength, and function 12 to 18 months following your surgery. The biggest thing to remember is that some swelling and soreness along the way is expected, but with the right plan and consistency, we're guiding you every step of the way. If you're considering knee replacement and want to learn more about what recovery could look like for you, we'd be happy to walk you through it.